welcome to my channel Rubylicious, and if you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with all your friends. So today I'm going to show you how I shave my face. So without any further delay, let's start. Shaving the face, first thing which we are going to do is tie our hair so that it doesn't come in front of our face and there's no distraction and no flyaways. Because when we tie the hair, it actually, the people who want to have a fine line like hairline, even it's helpful for them. I like to keep my hairline like natural way, so I don't go here, but I'll show you the full face how I shave my hair. So we need to prep our skin, and for that use a cleanser. I'm using the Body Shop Tea Tree. So I got this product from Amazon. The brand is Tinkle, and it comes in 3's combo. It has a cover like this, and this is a really good product. I'll write it in the description box. I got one more shaver from Miniso, and I usually carry this when I'm traveling. It's very easy to keep it anywhere and just use it anytime. And you can use this as much as, one product you can use it for 15 to 20 times. So it's like cost effective and it's really easy and painless. So you can just go ahead. So after cleaning the face, I usually do not put any product on my face, because if you put anything, so when you glide your razor, it usually removes all the product which you have put, not even oil or any kind of serum, because only the product will come out and not peach fuzz and blackheads and whiteheads. So it's better to keep the face dry so that everything is just cleaned out for instant glowing skin. Do not keep the razor like this, or do not do the shave like this, opposite direction of the hair. Always keep it at little 45-degree angle and pull the skin with one hand and just go in small motions. Wherever you have acne, you can just avoid that area. I do not have so much side locks because I have done laser, so I like to keep it that way.
Just to make this video, I have not shaved my face for months, and due to hormonal imbalance, I have a lot of facial hair growth as compared to other girls.
This process is painless, quick and easy. You'll get smooth glowing skin where makeup glides just like butter. It also exfoliates and you get rid of dead skin, and it's very cost effective, so you can do it by yourself anywhere, anytime. I do my forehead in the end because eyebrows you have to be extra careful. So forehead में मेरा ज़्यादा hair आता नहीं है, but I still do it. You can shape however you want to shape your eyebrows. I usually do not thread my eyebrows, so I just keep my natural line. Eyebrows के नीचे I usually do not do, so if you want you can. So I'm done shaving my face, and now I'm going to spray little water and dab it with towel. After this, I'm going to apply aloe vera gel because it is really soothing for the skin. So finally I'm done shaving my face, and you can see instant glow. You can see the shine on my face, and I hope this video was helpful. Please guys, like this video and share it with all your friends and family. If you have any queries, or if you want to share your experience, or if you want me to make some other videos, please comment it on the comment box. I will go through it and I will make videos for you people. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel and motivate me. Thank you.